Welcome back everybody to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Nova. It's got that gold with the black stripes, cowl induction hood, 396. Absolutely beautiful. Drives like a dream, sounds phenomenal, paint's great. Just a beauty. Go ahead and take a peek in here. We've got a black leather interior. It is a 5-speed, which is awesome. I've got the windshield wipers here I need to put on and secure, but those will be put on. I know you'll notice that when I get to that part, but we'll be able to pop those right in. I just got this in and I was so excited. I wanted to get a video up and post it right away. Just gorgeous. Take a look into the trunk real fast. Beautiful trunk. Hop up here into the driver's seat real quick. What a peach. See that right there? Oh, come on. 5-speed. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, pop open the hood, take it for a spin, put her on the hoist. Over here, take her out for a quick lap. Gotta be a little careful with the school zone here. Already picking up the kids, but we should be able to get it going. Oh. Very nice drive. Got her in the 4th gear there. And we'll do one little more takeoff here and we'll get her on the hoist. Such a nice ride. Alright, let's go put her on the hoist. Alright, got the Nova up here on the lift. Beautiful as above, as below. Very nice. This thing is just a dream. I love the paint on it. Love how she drives. And then you see this underside and it's 100%. It's beautiful. If you have any questions or concerns, like to see more on a live FaceTime, or if you're in the area and can come check it out, please do. Let us know. As always, we appreciate everybody for stopping by, checking out these videos, and have a great day.